BIPOC Mental Health Month, meaning observed annually in October. BIPOC Mental Health Month is a month-long campaign aimed at raising awareness of and providing support for the mental health challenges that Black, Indigenous, and people of color, abbreviated as BIPOC, people in the United States are particularly vulnerable to. On the basis that Black people, Indigenous people, and other people of color experience specific situations and problems in relation to their mental health in the context of systemic racism, including unique types of trauma and stress, the month has been designated as Black History Month. Educational activities and opportunities to obtain assistance and access to mental health services are frequently held throughout the month, with the goal of helping individuals to maintain and improve their mental health while also trying to eliminate the stigma associated with mental health disorders. When is Black and Indigenous People of Color Mental Health Month? BIPOC Mental Health Month is commemorated annually in the month of July to raise awareness about the mental health of people of color.